Have you ever wondered what history truly encompasses? Many think history is just about wars or famous leaders. In reality, it covers the entire spectrum of human experiences. The scope of history dives into major areas, including politics, society, economy, and culture. Let's break this down step by step. First, we look at the political aspect. This includes governments, laws, and revolutions. It examines the power struggles that shape nations. Next, the social aspect. This focuses on family, education, and daily life. Here, we study social structures and their evolution over time. Then comes the economic side. It encompasses trade, labor, and finance. The economic history helps us understand how societies grow or struggle financially. Lastly, we explore culture. Culture covers religion, art, literature, and traditions. These elements shape our identities and values. Why is it important to study the scope of history? Understanding history holistically helps us see beyond mere events. It shows the systems and cultures that create those events. History reminds us of interconnectedness. Political decisions can impact economies. Similarly, cultural values can shape societal structures. Every day, we live with the relevance of history. Our current economic policies and social norms are rooted in historical context. This critical awareness assists us in making informed choices in life. Now, let's discuss some classroom activities to engage with this subject. One great activity is a case study. Students can analyze local events, like independence movements or cultural festivals. Another engaging activity is group presentations. Each group can focus on one area of history: political, social, economic, or cultural. To deepen understanding, a comparative exercise can help students see how different aspects interact during a historical event. For assessment, consider a written reflection. Students can address how history influences their daily lives. Ask them to reflect on political, social, economic, and cultural aspects. Encourage them to connect personal experiences to historical roots, such as their school systems or economic opportunities. In summary, the scope of history includes all aspects of human life. It examines key areas such as political, social, economic, and cultural influences. Engaging in activities like case studies or group presentations can deepen understanding. Always remember, history is not just about the past. It shapes our present and future. Now it's your turn. Dive deeper into history and see how it reflects your life today. Explore resources, join discussions, and embrace the rich tapestry of our shared human story.